Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make this lovely and easy beanie. I made this with 5mm crochet hook and I use worsted weight yarn. I will write the yarn's name at the description box and you can use any kind of yarn you choose, of course. If you want to see my other beanies, you can just look here now. And if you are ready, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and let's start. I made the brim like that. Now I will show you how I made this with a different yarn. At first I will make a slip knot and chain multiples of 6. And that was enough. I made 18 chains and join for the first stitch. Now we will make double crochets starting with chain 2. I will just turn these chains like that. And you see these bumps here, here. You will make the double crochets from here. I missed the first one and looking for it. Yes, it's there. Just keep doing double crochets like that. Just complete my 18 double crochet and join from the first double crochet. Chain 2. This does not count as a stitch, and this 2, of course. I will make front post and back post doubles. Insert your hook from front to back around this double crochet and make a front post double crochet, and insert your hook from back to front and back again and make a back post. Front post double crochet and back post double crochet. Front post, back post. I'll just complete this row like that. Now that was my last back post double crochet, and then I will join from the first stitch like that, chain 2 again and make front post back post double crochet again, starting with front post and finish with back post. I will just keep doing like that. For this brim, I start with 72 chain. You can make it bigger or smaller as you want, but just be careful about it must be multiples of 6. And I made 6 rows of back post and front post double crochet. Now I will start the stitch. Just chain 2 and make a front post double crochet. Now we will skip 2 double crochet. That's 1 and 2. We will make 5 double crochet into that back post double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Just skip 2, this one and this one, and make a front post double crochet. We will make it again now. skip 2, make 5 double crochet into this back post, double crochet, skip 2 and make a front post double crochet, skip 2 double crochet, make 5 here. Just don't count these stitches, count the double crochets themselves. So you are not confused about this stitch. Because now we will make front post. Just skip this 2 and make a front post double crochet. I'll just turn around like that. I complete my last shell and then I will join from the first stitch. Just chain 2 and make a front post. We will make shell again from that third double crochet we made. Just insert your hook here and make 5 double crochet. Then make a front post double crochet here. Make 5 double crochet from the third stitch. And make a front post. I will just keep doing like that for a few rows, and then I will make decrease. I don't know how many rows I will make just now. 1 or 2 seconds I will turn and say it to you. I made 12 rows of shell stitch, and now I will make decreases. It's almost 8 inches long. And now we can start with a front post double crochet. We will make 4 double crochet here into that third stitch. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then we will make a front post double crochet. We will make 4 double crochet shell, and make a front post double crochet. Just complete this row like that. I finished this row too. Chain 2. Now we will make 3 double crochet. You can make it from here between these 2 double crochet, or here the third chains, third double crochets. I'll make it like that and make a front post, make 3 double crochet, make a front post. I will complete this row like that. I will just join from here, chain 2, and start for another row with a front post double crochet. Now I will make 2 double crochet into that second double crochet. Just 1 and 2. Make a front post. 1 2 and make a front post. Just keep doing like that. I will chain 2, make a front post double crochet. Now we will make only one double crochet. If you want, you can make it from here, and if you want, you can make it from this second double crochets. Make a front post and make a double crochet. Make a front post double crochet and a double crochet. Just complete this row. Now we are at the last row. We will just make front post double crochets. Take this one and this one. Make all the front post double crochets like that. I made the last one and then join from here. I will just cut the yarn. Take a needle and sew this upper part. I will make it like this front side because I will use a pom-pom for this. If you don't want to use a pom-pom, just turn it to wrong side and sew it there. And our new beanie is completed. I hope you like it. It's really easy. You can make it in 1 or 2 hours and just use it like that. If you have any question, please leave comments, and you can reach me on my Instagram address, Crochet. That's it for today. Hope to see you again. Have a nice day.